got a little bit of a blockage here.
I'm guessing the culvert's right in here somewhere. Yep, there it is.
There it is.
It's a concrete one.
Look at all that stuff in there. It's ridiculous. Yeah, there we go.
Ooh.
Now that's flowing so, look at that. 100% better there. Alright, let's look upstream. Oh goodness, not much coming down from there. Little ditch coming out of the mountains, I guess. Yeah, we're went into Arkansas today. We got the whole day. So we've gone into Arkansas to get some creeks we haven't been to in a while. So here's the outflow.
Hey guys, we're in Arkansas. We're down in kind of a river state park. Here, I can walk on this side so you're not walking right over those big rocks. And this is down kind of a little bit of a park area. You drive down in here, and there's an old low water bridge here that you can't even drive across anymore, but we're going to walk across it and see what it looks like. I got to make sure Granny makes it without
dying.
tripping over a big old rock or something. Okay. All right, let's get on top and then it should smooth out.
Yeah. Okay.
I wonder if you hike over here. Looks like it. It's very pretty. So I think you can day camp down here, but you can't overnight camp. That's what it said. It's pretty. It's super foggy today. Fog is, it's about 11 o'clock and the fog still hasn't lifted. But it's not so bad down here. And then there's the main road that goes over this river. They've got this grate here. You walk across. Ooh. Walk on the steel beam part of it. Looks like it. Maybe they use this in case it gets taken out or something. Instead of concrete being... Or the concrete probably got washed away at some point, so they switched to this. That's actually further down than you think. Yeah, see, you can tell it gets over all these leaves. Get further this way and you can... You got some big old stumps. That's actually pretty deep. Like if I were to get in there right now, I'd be at least waist deep. So, it's deeper than it looks. Yep, it's got a couple of stumps caught there. And then got some big old stumps over here caught. Yep. Oh, well, how did... It's so grown up I can't even tell where this road used to go. I mean, I'm surely it didn't go straight uphill. Probably went over that way, I guess. Anyway. I'm going to show you guys this real quick. Downstream's really pretty, or upstream, I mean. And go this way. Get the best view I can of downstream. Alright, Graham, let's make our way back. Yeah, I got some pretty rocks here. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys that real quick. Just kind of cool looking and pretty area. Okay, guys, we're at another kind of a not state park, but I don't know, whatever it is, some sort of park. And we came across this, drove by it, and I was like, oh man, I got to stop there. It's cool. So the river or lake? It's a lake. So the lake's got back there and then a huge spillway. Let me get over here where you can actually see it. Man, just came across that with all that fog and it was just so crazy looking. They need to get down there and get that tree off. I've never seen anything like that. That's a big dam. That's holding back a lot of water. Pretty cool. Okay, let me get down there. Whew. Oh look, yeah, it's got stuff you can walk down there for a trailhead. It's a different view of it. And it's got, I think there's a trail leading down there, basically. Maybe you can go all the way down. Got some leaves piled up on this side.
Ooh, got stickers.
Yeah, those are stickers. Put your gloves on.
I should, shouldn't I, Jen?
Hey, Gran, can you just watch that camera and make sure it doesn't fall? Just make sure it doesn't fall. You don't need to touch it, just make sure it doesn't fall.
That was rude. Let go of my jacket. Just for that, you're going to get cut. Alright, let me get my glove. I'm going to... Okay, I'm going to leave this right here in case I need it.
On the other side, it's mostly coming out of the middle one right now. I think I don't know.
Woo! Pile of leaves right there. Okay, let me get my gloves on. I'll move. I think I cut this one already. Yeah, these are all stickers right here. come on, let go of my clothes. Ow. I regret coming across this little sticker bush. There we go. If I can get it from behind here.
That's okay, just stand beside it. You can't see it.
Okay. Oh. Wow.
Well, of course. I mean, when do they not?
These are supposed to be waterproof, but they're already leaking.
They're already not?
Yep, already leaking. Alright, here's some trash. Yes, they are. Okay. Wow. Oh, this one's full of gravel too. There we go. It broke that middle one loose. Oh, get up in here. Okay, the middle one's clear. Okay. Okay, so this one's not going to get any water, I don't think. It's just too high. A little bit going in there now. At least clean out a path to it here. There we go. It's flowing now. This is the one that's going to be the issue. It's all right. Well, so if I clear out any more there, it's going to be lower than the culvert, and I don't want to do that. That's probably just for overflow.
Culverts isn't too high, don't they? Look at this water back there. And it's just that water just a little high.
Yeah, it's not, I mean, it should be flowing better than that, because this is completely cleared out, and so is this one.
Yep.
I don't know what that is right there. This stick. Yeah, nothing else I can do here. Yes.
Cut back some of the brush too, the stickers that were catching those leaves, so. Alright guys.
Alright, found this little culvert that's blocked. It's got one bigger tree sticking in it and a bunch of leaves. So Jen's going to get it. We've been driving down this little old lonely dirt road. Alright, let me see if I can get around here. Woo. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom in on that. Look at all these little ferns growing on that rock. Huh. Right, hold on, Jean. You started without me.
Well, I'm sorry. I thought you were done.
No, I was looking at some pretty ferns.
With the ferns.
You gonna need some help on that one? Ooh, good job. Right off to the side. There's quite a few things down in there now that you're looking at it. Looks like dirt and leaves now.
Oh Lord, a lot
Where
of
are you
them.
putting them? My direction? Yeah, Jeannie Poe.
For some reason I accidentally grabbed the...
You have the short handle one, didn't
I
you?
know.
Another stick down in there, right there.
Well, for Pete's sake.
Got it. Oh, there we go. Starting to flow now.
Alright, go check out the other side.
That's good there, Jen. Check out the other side. Oh,
That's about as good as it's gonna get right there. Ooh.
pretty good. Just goes off into the woods there. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Go that way and I'll video it going down the road. Now this neat old house, I'd love to go inside that thing, but it's on somebody's property, so I'll just let you see what it looks like. Isn't that cool? Come on, trees, get out of the way. Yeah.
Alright guys, got two culverts here that have got a little bit of a clog on them. So it's Mom's turn. She's going to get down there. Right? Is it your turn or my turn?
I think it's my turn.
I can't keep track anymore. So she's got an exit camera set up over there. I'm going to get down there actually. Be able to get a better view if I get down there with her. I'm ready when you...
Let me get this big one out of the way, I think. Whew. Alright, I'm going to pull all this direction. Ooh.
Is there a piece of metal sticking up?
Here.
Like that?
I think that's a piece of wood.
Bone.
I think you're
Bone.
right. That's some kind of bone in it. Oh, goodness, that got me right in the face. This has been blocked for a while, you can tell.
Yeah, this fence they've got up here ain't doing much good. Keeping the cows out, I guess.
All right. Let's check the other side. It's deeper right here. Whew. All righty. All right, that's it on that one. This is the one the water can't get to.
Yeah.
Okay. Think that's good enough, Jen?
I'll get that stuff right around there, yeah. Get that out of there, but other than that, yeah, it's good. Trying a bit of a pool.
Yep, I
Got it
agree.
going.
It's not a whole lot. There's actually more flowing through this one now than that one. All right, good job.
All right.
Okay. All right, we have been here before. I don't know if you can remember. When I get over here, I'll show you. But last time I was talking about how that wood log is across there. And on this side, I had shown you where this was hanging from the trees where people swing on it. So that might help you remember where we are. But Jen's gonna do this one.
Yeah, every single one of them's got a clog.
And then there's so many leaves you can't see what you're stepping on.
Should we do?
Oh yeah, all of them do. Right there too.
All right, you ready?
Nope, okay. I'm ready now. Ooh, look at it going down in there. Push them leaves through there, Jen.
Just get the sticks out. Oops.
Wow, look at them going. Wow, those are flowing like crazy now. That one had all the sticks, didn't it?
Yep.
Wow, good job on that one. Let's look at them all again.
Drained.
All right, let's look upstream.
That was
Kind of
fun.
pretty up there, isn't it? All right.
Yeah, look, it was up to there,
Yes,
wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so. It's drained. I mean, it dropped quick when you open these first couple.
Yeah,
It went crazy.
real quick. Cool. That was fun. Okay. Put some of these
I'm gonna go look on the other side. Come knock these leaves loose over here, Jen.
Okay. There's a rock right there, catching
Alright.
everything. There we go.
That's good, Jen.
Yep.
All right.
Did it. Coolly.